Hello you lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something sweet and just a tiny bit weird. Stay tuned for what that weird is. Today is all about figs. Now fresh figs are an experience you don't want to miss out on in life. Now here in the Minivar where I live, they grow in abundance pretty much everywhere, so lucky me. So figs, you've probably eaten one, and if not fresh, maybe fig jam or maybe chutney, which actually I made earlier this week and we'll come on to that in a second. But have you ever heard the story behind how figs grow? Well, here comes the weird bit. So what if I told you that every fig once had a wasp inside it? Figs and tiny wasps have a secret bond that's something kind of out of a David Attenborough documentary. Oh, and who doesn't love a David Attenborough documentary, right? Okay, so some interesting facts coming your way. So figs aren't actually fruits, they're like inverted flowers. And since they're closed off, so to speak, they need a special buddy to pollinate them. And that's where fig wasps come in. So get this, a female wasp crawls into the fig through a tiny opening. She pollinates it, lays her eggs inside, and then it gets a little bit sad. Don't say I didn't warn you. Then she dies inside the fig. A little pause for the wasp. However, don't worry, by the time you eat the fig, there's no trace of Mrs. Wasp left at all. Enzymes inside the fig break her down completely, and it's best just to look at it like it's all part of nature's cycle, and it's magical, and something kind of beautiful. But what happens to her eggs, I hear you cry? Well, the baby wasps hatch, they mate, and then the males get busy digging tunnels out. The females then fly off in search of a whole new fig, and then the cycle continues. Just when you think there may be no positives from those pesky, stingy wasps, there you go. No wasps, no figs. And if you've ever eaten a fig, certainly a fresh fig, you'll know what a disaster that would be. No figs! Thank you, wasps. Thank you for your sacrifice. And just as proof of how delicious these little bad boys are, fresh or in, for example, some homemade chutney, here it is. My very own homemade chutney. And I love fig chutney. You should try and say fig chutney really quickly and see what happens. And if it doesn't happen to you, try and say it really quickly several times. And then you'll see. You must be very careful when making a video saying the words fig chutney. I challenge you to have a go. Next time you enjoy a fig, whether it's fresh or in a lovely chutney like this one, remember the tiny unsung hero that made it all happen. Without wasps, this wouldn't exist. If you learned something cool and new today, you could just give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more food-related fun stories, life in the Minivar, living in France here. I'm having an absolute blast. Let me know in the comments below, did you already know about the whole wasp thing? And if not, what do you think? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you really soon for some more food, fun, cooking, France adventures. Bye!